Samsung is about to turn your Galaxy into a real gaming machine. One UI 8.5 is bringing the biggest upgrade ever to Game Booster, and some of these new features feel like they're straight out of next-gen gaming consoles. Let's break down everything that's coming, and trust me, you're going to want this update ASAP. Samsung's One UI 8.5, big Game Booster upgrade. Samsung is getting ready to launch One UI 8.5 with the Galaxy S26 series next year, but early test builds already show something huge. A completely upgraded Game Booster with new tools, new visuals, and smarter AI features made just for gamers. A reliable tipster at Galaxy Techie spotted a long list of new features in the early build, and some of these are game changers. New Game Booster features in One UI 8.5. Voice Roulette, one of the coolest new features. You can send quick, pre-recorded voice messages to your teammates during gameplay. You even get a full voice market with downloadable voice packs, and you can customize the wheel layout and voice style. Anti-interference plus notification styles. Samsung is bringing back more advanced notification controls. You can choose notification styles: system, pop-up, bubble, or dash. Change transparency, animations, and sound, or just block everything entirely while gaming. Perfect for competitive players. GameCare Better Controller Support. GameCare tracks how long you've been playing and reminds you to take breaks. Great for marathon gamers. You can also connect controllers directly from the Game Booster panel. No more jumping between settings. Voice Changer Super Microphone. Change your voice using Sound Assistant tech. Super Microphone keeps your mic active even if another app tries to take control. Bluetooth mic switching is now instant. Great for streamers and multiplayer players. 4D Vibration. This one is wild. You can create custom vibration effects for long press, single tap, or power tap. Choose styles like intense, crisp, rapid, faint, or even offensive. Feels way more like console-level haptics. Other goodies. Game settings now open inside the panel. No extra steps. Respawn timer is now in the Now bar. Game sound and AI mute are improved. Touch protection screen now shows time, date, and battery. The Game Booster icon now has a new 3D look. The version tested is 8.52.10, and there's more coming soon. Galaxy AI Game Help. Samsung is adding built-in AI to help you win. Ask questions about game strategies or gameplay through text or voice while playing. It works in the background and can be turned off anytime. Strong Call to Action. CTA. If you want more fast updates like this, plus hidden One UI features, Samsung never talks about. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And tell me in the comments, which Game Booster feature are you most excited for?